What's up, guys? I did a video a while back on my review on this Ryobi P747 air inflator. Just runs off the 18-volt drill battery. A lot of you guys liked the review. I got a lot of good comments. I appreciate it. One thing that I noticed big time, and that a lot of people noticed also, is that it would be really handy if this thing had a trigger lock on it. It inflates really well, but if you've got a tire that's super low or something that you need to beat up, you have to hold this for a long time. If you just need to add 5-6 pounds of air real quick, it's great. But if you need to add 20 or 30 pounds of air, the battery will last fine. It just has to sit there forever. So, easiest thing to do, guys, just get a piece of Velcro. And I'm going to try to do this with one hand while I hold my phone with the other. But really simple. And there you go. I just leave that on the bottom connected, and anytime I need to use it, I can squeeze the trigger in, slide it up, and boom, you're good. So there's a quick little tip. I'll walk away from this for 4, 5, 6 minutes sometimes while I wait for it to inflate. Thanks.